Power restoration start at the power plants themselves. So when power goes out and you have damage in certain areas, you have to check the source, where the power is being generated. Power plants are the primary source of power production. You have to assess those for damage and restore any damage that's been impacted there at the power plants. Then the transmission lines, you see them driving all across the country. You got to get power from the power plants out into the communities. It starts with these transmission lines. They're high voltage lines serving thousands of customers over a wide area, and you have to make sure that these are repaired. In some cases, these lines were really damaged with that heavy dose of freezing rain. Step 3 is substations. They are scattered around communities, and you got to make sure that they're brought online for power to reach local distribution lines. Step 4 is essential services. Power has to be restored to facilities critical to public health and safety, such as hospitals, nursing homes, fire and police departments, and water systems. Then we start talking about communities and neighborhoods. That's when you see crews in your communities. They're dispatched to repair lines that will return service to the largest number of customers in the least amount of time. The neighborhoods, industries, and businesses are restored systematically. And then this last step. Once major repairs are completed, service lines to individual homes and smaller groups of customers are restored. Some customers may not be able to receive power to their homes because of damage. You can't energize a line into a house if the house isn't ready to accept that power. Inspections by a licensed electrician may be required before a home can receive power. Customers should never touch damaged equipment. So if you see damaged equipment near your house, do not touch it.